If you could guide Shizzy maybe with a step-by-step on what to do here, that'd be great.
Yep. Yeah. So we created 3 different amounts that you can vault. So you can vault in amounts of 5,000 COVAL, 50,000 COVAL, and 500,000 COVAL. And the reason why we did this is kind of multiple reasons. One of them is that when you lock these ERC20s, you get an NFT, right? So something similar to kind of like a 404. That NFT actually has utility. So that utility is a vault discount. So if you, I'll just the top number. So if you lock 500,000 COVAL, you get an NFT that gives you 60% vaulting fee discount. So it comes out to about $8 a vault. We've actually seen hundreds of vaults being created since this discount was created from our power users. Obviously, on top of that, you also get the airdrop with it. So what you're going to do here is you're already on the collections page. You're just going to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to go click on the select curated collection, and then it's going to say, scroll down a little bit, it'll be COVAL Timelock, COVAL, Timelock. And you just go and hit create vault, and it's going to take a second to load. On the back end, what it's doing is, just from a technical standpoint, is doing something called a MPC, multi-party computation, and a DKG, which is a distributed key generation. So it's actually creating a Bitcoin wallet or an Ethereum wallet on the back end and a Bitcoin wallet. So this is your vault. This is called the created stage. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to be presented with an ETH address. So click on the ETH address where it says ETH. Click on ETH.
Okay, click it itself. Okay.
Yeah, just click on that, and you're just going to copy the address. You actually have to do Control-C for right now. So just copy it. Our devs have to fix that.
If you double, there you go.
Yeah, and then you're just going to go open up your MetaMask, and you're going to send either a very specific amount of 5,000, 50,000, or 500,000 COVAL.
It's showing my COVAL down here, but it's not showing me in the wallet.
Looks like it might be possible. It could be a MetaMask issue. What's happening?
It's definitely saying it right here. So if I go in here and I type in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there you go.
And now it's going to let me.
There you go. Then hit continue. Okay, yep. So this is just a basic process on how to vault something.
Yeah.
So once it's done pending, then you'll just go down and hit the refresh button. We actually are in process of building something that's called a bulk mint tool, where this process is actually much more simplified. It's all on one screen. It takes about 3 clicks to do anything, and you can mint up to 25 vaults in a single transaction. Our front end dev is still in the process. I've put some teasers out about it, and hopefully once that's live, that will simplify it, because once we launch our vaulting program, the points program in Q1 next year, we want people to mint as many vaults as possible and to basically simplify the process, make it very, very easy.
So what's the next step here? Do I just go to vaults?
No. You just check to see if on MetaMask if the transaction is cleared.
Yeah, it's clear. Set confirmed.
Cool. So then scroll down, and then just hit the refresh button. It's across from balances, non-balances. You could do it like that, I guess.
Oh, I could have hit it down there. Okay.
There's literally, there's a refresh button inside. See?
All right.
So then that pops up. That shows that there is now a balance of 500,000. It should say COVAL. It says ETH at the bottom. It should say COVAL.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You're rich now. Now scroll up to the top, and there will be a mint button. Yep. See, it says view seed phrase mint. Yep. And then you just mint the vault. And so there will be 2 transactions. One is generally a GASA signature, which is the first one that's requesting our servers to mint the vault. And then you'll have a gas transaction. And so you hit confirm there. And now it says that your vault is minting. And there's no vaulting fee. So we haven't put any vaulting fees on this because we're aware that users... Oh, I see on my screen that you have, in fact, minted the vault. So
nice.
See, it says loading has successfully minted. So once that's done, the screen will close out. And then you can just hit refresh. And you'll see that
down here again?
Now you could just refresh the screen.
Okay.
I do see from my end in our Discord, it shows that all the vaults have been minted. So I do see that it has been minted. See, and so now you see that where it says marketplaces and loans and stuff, that shows that it's been minted. We do have to fix those links again. I do apologize for being half kind of broken, but if you go to OpenSea and type in COVAL Timelocks, or even if you go to your or even if you go to your wallet, you'll see it there. So COVAL, just COVAL. COVAL.
Yeah, AL.
Yeah, AL. And then Timelock. It should be like one of the first ones to come up. COVAL.
COV. Exactly.
AL.
COVAL.
Okay. See, it's the first one right there.
Timelocks. There it is. Yep.
And so you'll see all of them. Again, we still have to add traits and change the images and stuff. We do have 3 different images for the different representations. If for some people, sometimes you have to refresh on OpenSea, the metadata. Because Emblem Vault is such a unique product, sometimes the way that Emblem Vault interacts with OpenSea has refreshing issues. So sometimes you actually have to go in on the actual asset page and refresh. But it looks good, and you can see there is 415 vaults that have been minted, and there's about 45 owners, it looks like. And I suspect that this will increase slowly over time, and then probably, once you get into quarter 2, quarter 3 of next year, this should increase quite dramatically. If not, then whoever participates in this is going to receive a pretty sizable airdrop. So we've allocated 15% of the total key supply, so 1.5 billion keys, to the people who participate in this program, right? So if you only have 45 people participating with 15%, then they're going to get probably a few percentages, few basis points each